Hello, welcome to the final section of our course, where we will dive into the world of analyzing account engagement data. In this lecture, I will introduce you to the concept of engagement history, its features, and why it's crucial for understanding your audience's interactions. So, where is engagement history? Well, engagement history is a generic term for a collection of fields, related lists, and other Lightning components that make it possible to show valuable prospect engagement data on your most used records. In other words, engagement history is a treasure trove of information. It captures every touchpoint, every interaction, and every engagement your leads have had with your marketing efforts. From email opens to website visits, it provides a comprehensive view of their journey. When it comes to visualizing engagement history, Salesforce provides multiple tools to choose from, mainly metrics field component, related list, and lightning components. First, the metric fields components allow you to see key engagement metrics directly on lead and contact records. You can instantly view email open rates, link clicks, and more without leaving the record. Related list, however, offer a comprehensive view of engagement activities associated with a lead or contact. You can easily navigate throughout different engagement events, including email interactions, forms, and web visits. Finally enough, engagement history lightning components. As you can see, this Lightning Components brings engagement history to your Salesforce Lightning homepage. It offers a customizable dashboard view that showcases engagement trends and important metrics at a glance. The choice of the tool depends on your workflow and preferences. Metric Fields, for instance, provides quick insights on individual records. Related lists offer a detailed history, and the Lightning Components offers a at-a-glance view. That's it for engagement history features. In the next lecture, I will show you how to configure them.
Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and master Pardot today, click the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.